Hello there. So we're going to exercise hand independence, okay? So the basic 4/4 time signature, let's say you have your measures here, one measure, there are 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? This is how we look at it. And then on top is your right hand, and below is your left hand, okay? Now we're gonna play middle C with your left hand, okay? All C's, just C, and 4 quarter notes on the downbeats, on each beat, okay? We call these numbers the downbeats, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And we're on 4/4, so quarter notes on each beat. For every beat, we have a quarter note there. And all of these notes are just on middle C, okay? All right. So left hand will be playing this one here. You can use any finger for now. You can use your thumb, your index, middle finger, whatever is comfortable for you right now. So let's say I'm using my thumb. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, okay? On middle C. Now your right hand will be playing a high E right here, so we can hear the difference. And we're going to play each beat also with a quarter note. All of these are just E's, okay? E, everything. So it's like this. So we play them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're playing both hands on the same downbeats. We're going to change it a little bit, okay? Now I'm going to erase the right hand quarter notes of the second, third, and fourth beat. So this will just be a simple rests. Let's change it into rest. That means you're not going to play anything on these beats on your right hand, okay? So it will sound like this. You're playing both hands on the first beat, but the second, third, and fourth beat, you're just playing your left hand. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat it twice so we can hear exactly the rhythm, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You get the idea? You only play right hand on E on the first beat. So practice that. There, okay? So after practicing that, we're going to change it a little bit. Instead of playing the first beat with a note, we change it into a rest, and we replace the second beat with a quarter note again on E, okay? Like this. This time, you play your right hand on the second beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice that on your practice time. Pause the video and then keep on practicing until you build the muscle memory, until you master it, okay? The next part, we're going to change the second beat into a rest again, and the third beat, we put that note on the third beat, okay? E again. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Pause the video and then practice it. Next, we're going to replace the third beat, put a rest here again, and instead we're going to put the quarter note on the fourth beat. Okay? Now this will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're playing both hands on the fourth beat only. Okay? Practice that. After mastering all those exercises, we're going to end with this next exercise, the first beat and the fourth beat. Okay? So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can repeat it more than twice to feel the rhythm. I'm going to play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. This is the first step for hand independence. Okay, just single fingers for left and right hand. So practice that, And keep on doing it, keep on repeating it until you build the muscle memory and to get used to this rhythm. We'll work on switching the left hand and the right hand on the next video. Okay, so good luck. I'll see you on our next lesson.